Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin Key. I'm the Group Enterprise Architect for CGS CIMB. We are a joint venture between China Galaxy Securities and CIMB Group. We are a leading ASEAN financial intermediary with direct presence in 9 countries, offering wide coverage both in terms of customer segments and asset classes. We are blessed with a very strong team of 2,300 people working together to serve our clients. How Amazon Workspace has helped. We are faced with the pandemic-related challenges over the last 2 years like any other company. We face latency, we face business continuity challenges, we have difficulty shipping laptops and onboarding staff across the whole region. We have no physical access to some of our remote workers and contractors who are unfortunately not able to return to Singapore. How Workspace helped to address all these challenges? It has high reliability with 99.9% SLA. It has low millisecond latency, which is extremely important for a business like ours. And it also has a global availability, which is what we need. It can scale, it's elastic, it takes our CAPEX and converts it to OPEX. It also has all the security controls that are required for a security-sensitive organization like ourselves. How did we start this journey? We started with a POC of 20 users in a matter of 3 weeks. We start small, but with a diverse use case across these 20 users, and we're able to scale up to 80 new users very, very quickly. The cool part is that we're able to address the immediate needs of up to 200 users within a week. And that kind of flexibility and ability to scale is something that we never had before. One of the key advantages of such a managed solution such as Workspace is that the speed of deployment is very, very quick. So what are some of the lessons learned in this journey? It still requires to plan ahead, but of course in a much shorter time frame. Instead of planning your purchases that will last for months, you are able to reduce that planning period to weeks. 2, be familiar with the solution. Start small like we did, but it allows you to fail fast and scale quickly if needed. The third thing that we learned is that it achieves operating efficiency that we have never had before because it offers tools such as service quota management and allows us to be able to manage this large amount of desktops with very limited resources. Looking ahead, geographic expansion is definitely on the cards with such a proven solution. At the same time, with this new understanding of how Workspace works, we're definitely looking to expand the use case much further than what we are using it for. Now, on a final note, we really appreciate your feedback so that we can understand the topics and services that you'd like to know more about. So please take the time, fill out our survey, and let us know what you think. Thank you so much.